15 GB of Google Drive or Google Photos storage fill up very fast, and in this video I have come up with the solution. What if I told you you already have unlimited cloud storage and you don't even know this? It is sitting right side in your Telegram application, and you can use this open source tool called Telegram Drive, and you can get the full blown cloud drive setup, and it is completely free. So it is a Telegram drive and built by a developer Cameron, completely open source and free to use, built on the Tori, Rust and React. And you can use your Telegram saved folder as your storage device, and you can store unlimited files, photos, PDF, zip file, anything you want to store. And the good thing is it is available on Mac, Linux, Windows and even on the Android. Why does this matter to everyone? Because Telegram Cloud has no limit. It has upper limit of 4 GB per file and 250 GB per account. I think people have manually doing this, saving files to the saved images for years. This tool just make it actually usable with thumbnails and search and drag options as well. This is the application I am talking about, and I can show you this all photos and everything is stored in my Telegram account. So this is saved message and everything is stored here, and it is fetching in from here. And if we go to our this application Telegram drive and we upload anything from here like this PDF, it is coming to saved messages, as you can see that. And the good thing is we can preview file here and we can download file here as well. So this is it. You can create folders for your particular files, one folder for images, one folder for videos if you want, because this will create a Telegram channel, and in that channel you can store different files. You can create one for PDF as well. So now let's see how to set it up on Windows. This is the website of this Telegram drive application, and this is the GitHub repo. You can find the links in the video description. Go to the GitHub repo and go to the releases section, and from here if you will scroll down, you will see the application file for every distro, an app image for Linux, dev image for Ubuntu, and .exe file is for Windows. We will download this by clicking it. So it is a very small application, 9 MB application. So after downloading it, we will click on it so that we can install it. So this thing comes up because it is not signed, so click on more info and just run anyway and click next. It will install next, and we going to run this as well. So this is how it looks on the first run. It has dark mode also. So if you don't know the process of getting the API ID and API hash, you can click over here. It will show the procedure, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the procedure as well. Go to your browser and type mytelegram.organization, and it will take you to this location. Enter your mobile number with country code, hit next. Now there will be a confirmation code to your Telegram account. Go to your account and copy this confirmation code and paste it in here. Click sign in. Now you will be at the login page of mytelegram.organization web page. Now hit the API development tools and make sure these things should be private. Don't share these things with anyone because it gives the access to your Telegram account. Copy the app API ID, paste it in here, and copy the API hash and paste this thing also here. If you are creating new for the first time, it will ask for app title and short name. You can enter anything you want. Okay, now hit the configure. Now it will ask for your phone number. Enter the phone number with your country code, hit continue. Now there will be a login code sent to your Telegram account. Login code should be fetched from your Telegram account, so it's 51715. Now it's sign in button, and you can skip these things if you want. Wait, skip and continue to files. Okay, it is showing the ads. because the developer want to earn some money, it is okay. So this is how you can you can install, like upload the folder and upload the file as well. So this is how you can, you can go to the settings, and there are multiple options in here now. And we were using a older version earlier, they have added like color set and different things to like this. There is a proxy files, and then VPN also. You can like share using Tailscale, so you can share the files as well. So if like we want to preview this PDF file, as you can see that we can preview it inside our application. And if like we want to watch any video, like we want to watch any video, like watch this video, we can play it inside the application as well, as you can see it. And we can watch any like image if it is there. So you can see that we can preview anything. If you want to like share it from here, you can share it from here, create the share link and share externally. You need to install the Tailscale if you want to like share it externally, otherwise it is accessible via this URL. So this is how you can use this application. There are many like themes to it now, and I like the light theme. You can increase and like decrease the size of thumbnail as well. So this is all about this application. And one more thing, you can like install the APK on your Android phone as well. Let me show you. Go to this repo, and at the very end there will be APK as well. Okay, my bad. Okay, this is a pre-built application. You can download it from here. You can download this APK file and install to your mobile phone, but I won't recommend this one because it is like very bad UI and it is showing ads, so you can avoid it. And one more thing, I am developing the Android application for this project as well. So it is also called Telegram Drive, and we will try to post it in the repo, the original repo itself, if the like they allow us to like push it in there. And one more thing, one cool thing is there, they are allowing the REST API also, and we can connect this to our AI models or anywhere to the free AI models, and then we will ask our AI to search for file for us, and it will search any files for us using this API, REST API. So this is a good thing also. So if you want a like setup on the AI access of like through this API your files, you can tell me, and all the links are given in the like video description. And make sure you like and comment this video and subscribe for the next one. Thank you.